Welcome back to New Trade, and today it will be about types of trading charts. And welcome back, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video. I hope you all understand today's video, and let's head to our lesson. And today, as you can see, types of trading charts. And you'll be thinking, what are types of trading charts? Charts is our trading charts, like as you can see, bar charts. If you have traded, you might have traded in another chart, and this might be your first time seeing this bar chart. And it's just little drop trend. It's like a thick thick line and some lines right here. And I don't even definitely understand anything from this because I don't trade on bar charts, but I know few things about the bar charts. Is often called it as OHLC charts, are represented as vectoral bars with two notches that represent the open and the close of the bars. And compared to the Japan's candlestick, bar chart might be a little less clean for new trader when it comes to candlestick pattern. On the other hand, they might be present a little cleaner picture when it comes to marking out support and resistance, as you can see this bar chart. And now let's go to the next one, and we are talking about Renko. And now in the Renko chart, I usually trade on it, and it's the best view of the chart. And I suggest you guys to trade on this. And you're talking about, I suggest you guys to use this chart because I even use this chart, and it's actually really easy and simple. As you have saw that bar chart, it was like I can't understand the chart. It will like be a little hard for you guys. As you can see, a thick line and these lines, I don't understand it. And if you guys understand it, then you can go ahead if it's that easy for you. But for my suggestion, I think you should take the Renko chart. And from my knowledge, I know the Renko chart prints a new brick when the market moves more than the brick size away from the previous brick. Let's say we define that one brick signifies a movement of 5 pips. 5 pips. So until the market moves these 5 pips in one direction from the close of that last brick, no more brick in the pips in one direction. More will be drawn. Renko charts are not great for filtering out noise, but also marking out support and resistance area. And now we have Heikin Ashi. I don't know what this Heikin Ashi filter. It is a Heikin Ashi. It's like something like that, the chart name is. And as you can see, this is like little similar to the before one, and as I even suggest you to choose between both of them, and this is even little easier and similar. From my knowledge, I know he filters out the movement and makes much easier approach to the downside of that is that we might miss some valuable information, and it might smooth out the chart a little too much. But it is great tool for both insider and trading management. Yes. Now we'll be talking about solution to conclude this chapter. The best thing we can do and play with the different charts and setting and define with what suits us the best. And don't take my suggestion if it suits you. If it doesn't suit you. If it suits you, then I'll say you go use that chart. But now let's go to regular time. Yes, regular time-based candlestick chart will be always the most popular, as they're used by traders worldwide, and but the tick charts Renko, or he can be utilized in our strategy and bring a lot of use to our personal trading. And today this will be the last of our lesson, and thank you, and subscribe the video and like the video, and I hope all of you understand the video, and comment down below if you understand the video, and bye, see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.